guys, it's Leah and welcome back to Officially Leah. So as you can tell by the title below, I'm talking way too fast. But as you can tell by the title below, I am doing a fidget collection. Because if you look at Francesca and Leah, me and my sister's channel, and you can see we've done so many fidget videos. So now you may know why I have so many fidgets. And I mean, not only are we getting them for videos, but I actually play with them. And yeah, that's my explanation. But today I'm just going to be showing you all my fidgets, going to stress balls, going to pop-its, going to slime, going to tangles, everything you can name. So I think I'm going to start by big to small, and let's get on to the video. Okay, it's time for pop-its. Here, wait, I think I have some, I have these. I have these fidget spinner pop-its, and they are so cool. So I'm gonna add these. So, this will be a long video. So first I have this little simple dimple, and I have no idea what this is, but you just pop. And then I have this yellow one, this TikTok one, this Instagram one. This is very cool. And then this, I don't even know the shape, but it's this. And then I have a little kitty cat one. Meow. Then I have a flower one, which is dirty. Then I have a little pencil case that pops. Very cool. And then I have a Rainbow Among Us one. I love Among Us, but I stopped playing it. And then I have a popsicle one. Yeah. And it's like really cool colors. And then I have this just plain square rainbow one. And then this is my overall favorite. A llama. Meow. Wait, llamas don't meow. Never mind. Then I have this little, I don't even know what this is, but pop it. And then I have the Hexagon. And then I have this teal and purple Among Us poppet. And then I have this huge Yoda poppet. Very nice. And then I have this huge butterfly poppet. And they're both rainbow. Very cool. And I have this little tiny one. Boom, boom, boom. And it's really cool. And then teddy bear one. Meow. Oh my god. Meow. I don't. Okay. This is a peace sign or a bunny. I don't know. Which one does it look like? I don't have my bunny right here. But then I have a rainbow heart one. And yeah. And then these are my fidget spinners. Oh my gosh! I just realized how much this is. Oh, there's more here. So first I have this one, this little tie-dye one. Then I have this 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 little star one and this gummy bear one. So I have a lot. Oh, there's more? Wait, huh? Oh, I'll just show you guys this bucket. Here, I'll be right back. I need to put these all back because I won't have room for the other fidgets. So I will be right back. Okay, so this is a little more tiny stuff oh, I forgot this. Fidget spinner. Dimple. Let me add that to my 1,000 fidgets. Okay, so first I have another fidget spinner. Oh, fidget spinner. But it's a Rubik's Cube. Very cool. Then I have this little, I don't know, it's kind of, okay, pretend that never happened. I have this little magnetic thing, and you can make magnetic sculptures, and I don't really know how this is a fidget, but it's fun. And then I have these magnetic rings, and everyone's seen magnetic rings before, they just magnet. And then I have these magnets. Oh my gosh, they're sticking to everything. And I have these. They're really cool. They're like little stones, and I got them from the aquarium. And they're just really cool magnets. And I really like them. And then I have a million fidget spinners. I have these, and these. They're just normal fidget spinners. And then I have this little topper. It's not really a fidget, but it does stuff. So yeah. Oh wait, that's actually really cool. Okay. So now, let me put this back real quick. Okay. Now moving on to stress balls. I have a lot of these. So first is this ginormous Neato, and it's rainbow. And I mean, it doesn't really look like a Neato, but it feels like a Neato. And see, look at the comparison. And I just showed you another needle, which is this orange little tiny one, and this rainbow one. Then I have some DNA balls, and I love these so much. This one is very cool colors, and I love it. It feels so nice. Then I have some random globules, and globules are life. Oh, that doesn't stick, but I mean, hey! Okay, anyways, then I have this, sorry, I choked on something random, but then I have this Orbeez stress ball, very nice, and then I have more of these. I have like textured DNA balls. Oh, this one's with Orbeez. Oh my god, that's so cool. And then I have this, what's that? There's this little DNA ball. And then I have this little Nido. I don't know why it's called a Nido. It doesn't feel like a Nido. It just feels like a normal stress ball. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. And my favorite animals are Stitch and Panda. So, I have a lot of panda stuff. There's a little Orbeez stress ball. Very cool. And another panda one. It's rainbow. And then I have some more globules because globules are life. Am I right? Okay. Stop! Okay, I'll get that later. I have these two. I have this rainbow one and this Orbeez one. I need to put this all back. Okay, moving on. Now I have squishies and plushies, I guess. Oh, plushie. It's my little baby Yoda buddy. Oh yeah, and these too. And I'm obsessed with pandas. And I have this tiny one too. But yeah, those are my big ones. So first I have this little ice cream squishy. I did actually like it, by the way. And then I have this little penguin, purple penguin, that goes pew, and then pew. It has like little moldy things inside. And then I have this apple squishy, boom boom. Then I have this, donut squishy, boom boom. And then I have this little sloth, spit thing, boom. And then this poop one that goes, yeah. And then this unicorn one that goes, and then donut. And then this. And then bigger bottle. And then, oh my god, this is hard. It's like, what the heck? And then I have this little dog fluffy thing. And I don't even, oh, that's a lot of stuff. Okay, so I didn't even realize that I'm going so fast, but we only have 2 months left. We have monkey noodles, mochis, and this little nunchuck thing. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna start with slime because I love slime to death. So, yeah. So first I'm gonna start with this little metallic slime. I mean, it's not that good, but it's some Elmer's glue slime. And I mean, it's really pretty. And it barely even stretches. Well, it doesn't stretch. Not even barely. Okay, then I have this thinking putty, and I don't really like thinking putty. Please don't come for me, but like, I can't even open it. No. Okay, fine. This is why I don't like thinking putty. It's like, it looks like toothpaste, and it's like, yeah, who just texted me? Anyways, can't even close it either. Anyways, this metallic slime too. Okay, so then I have this Micro Flat Putty, and this just makes me giggle. It's the same color as my shirt. Well, almost, but not even. Oopsie doopsie. Anyways, then, oh my gosh, this is my favorite slime on earth. This is a butter slime, and it's so stretchy, and I love the color, and it's like a butter slime. And it says cloud slime on the packaging. Slime super cloud. This is super butter. Super cloud. Do they know their slimes? My puppet just fell. Anyways, look at my puppet tower. It doesn't even fit in a huge container. Anyways, I have have some more Elmer's glue slime, and this one is like cosmic shimmer. Shimmer, spice, and everything nice. Oh, they're not even opened. Oh, whoa. I opened it with a big bubble. But this is it's kind of better than the metallic slime. I mean, this is metallic too. Bro. It's like kind of good, I guess. Oh, okay, it farts too. Anyways, now, oh my gosh, I need to show you these. These are the cloud slimes, actual cloud slimes, not some butter slime. But first, I'm going to show you this vanilla scented one, and sorry that you guys can't smell it, but like, it smells like cake batter, like vanilla cake batter. Oh my god, it smells so good. But it's like super pretty cloud slime, and I can play with it all day. It's so nice. And oh my gosh, who is texting me? Anyways, then I have this cotton candy one. It's the same brand, but it's like a cotton candy one, and it smells like real strawberry or like cherry cotton candy. Smells so good. And I love cloud slime. Excuse me. Anyways, I love cloud slime. But then I have this slime goop. And then, oh yeah, this slime sucks. It's so bad. The texture and the color. Why does it say rainbow? This is straight up Shrek. Anyways, I have this crunchy slime, this little crackle slime, and it's really cool. Ooh, I just got it without the crackle stuff, and it's so cool. And then it doesn't really crackle, it's just texture. But yeah. Then I have, oh my gosh, this Pinch Me Dough, Therapy Dough. Hold on, my fingers are all oily from the crackle slime. Anyways, this is Therapy Dough. Oh my god, it's so hard. I got it a few days ago, and it's hard. Anyways, but it smells really good. And it's, oh my gosh, it just smells so good. But I think that's it for that slime. Let me put everything back. ASMR of me putting slimes in a container. So fun. Oh my gosh, I already made it through. Oh, I have this container too. But this one is just small stuff that takes. Oops. Slime stuff. Anyways, this is just straight up mochis. Oh, nunchucks. And mochis. Well, monkey noodles, not mochis. I already said mochis. Oh, I love this one so much. Where is it? It's like realistic. And like this video if you have this one. It's really cool. Like this video if you have this one. And like this video if you have this one. I don't think you can like the video more than one time. But look, all of these textured cool monkey noodles. I have a normal one. And I have a textured one with a face. Anyways, yeah, we just have nunchucks, monkey noodles, and mochis. So there's not. Oh, quack, quack. Anyways, next, bucket. So in this bucket, oh, pink. It's a huge one. Like, look at the comparison. Anyways, so in this box we have like this smaller stuff, like pop tubes, ow, and then tangles or bike chains. I don't even know what these are called, but they're something. They kind of feel like tangles. And I have this other tangle, ow, and I have marble meshes. And then I have Rubik's cubes. I have normal ones and mini ones. Bro! What fell? A million things fell. And that globble over there. Anyways, then I really like this one. It's like a fidget spinner, but it's a soccer ball, a blue one. Anyways, then I have these weird things. I don't even know what this is for. Oh, I want to show you something. I have this, I have this mini pop tube. Okay. Then I have this infinity cube. Very cool. I've always wanted an infinity cube, and it's worth it. Oh, and then I have this pea popper. It doesn't really work that well, but it's a pea popper. And I have this little cube thingy. It's like a fidget cube, I don't know. But like, here's a little joystick thingy, and here's some buttons, and then little roly-poly things. And then it's just a whole thing. Oh, and then we have these bike chains. Or these are bike chains, not those little tangle things. But, oh my god, everything's falling. It's like there's a ghost here. Oh yeah, more marble meshes. And, oh, whatever these are. These are kind of weird, but you put them on your finger and then you go pew, 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 pew. And I think that's it. There's this thing too. It's like, I don't know. But it's, what are you looking? Oh, Slinky! There's a bunch of marble meshes here. But Slinky, but honestly, I think that's it. I probably haven't showed everything, but I showed most of it. So, comment down, well, you can't comment on my videos, but comment on my Instagram when I post, on Fidgets and Leah Instagram, when we post this video, what your favorite fidget, or, what's your favorite fidget, like poppets, stress balls, slimes, like stuff like that. What's your favorite fidget? And I will see you. Well, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Bye.